So, good afternoon. Welcome to day 53 of our 60-day rule-based trading challenge. And today was a very easy and smooth day and without any challenges. So, obviously, we ended in a decent profits for the day. And it was not much of a challenging day at all. It was a very smooth sailing day, I would say. So, let's see what happened today by doing the trade analysis. So in the morning at 9:30, our strategy identified the bullish trend. So accordingly, this week's 25,000 put we sold. This is at 9:30 as you see here, and we sold it at 116.60, and we covered it at the day end, that is at 3:15, at the price of 91 rupees 75 paisa. As you see here on the both the charts, this is uh, the premium chart, what you are seeing on the left side. So this is the candle on which we sold. And after that, as you see, the entire day it was in profits only, even on the screen, I'm saying. So it was in the entirely on the screen also it was on profit, and the moment it hit the day low here after the 1:30 p.m. we started tracking the day low, and then 50% over that becomes our trailing stop loss. And but however, that was also not relevant because at the end of the day, somewhere here in this candle, we closed. Although further fell after that also, but that doesn't make any sense to talk about this. So this is the candle on which a 315 candle, 310 to 315 candle. That is the place where we exited. So hence we made a decent. I will not say humongous profit, but a decent level of profits we were able to achieve. And as you see here, the day opened a massive gap up, I would say. The gap up and but it could not sustain that level that it opened in the morning. It fell, but here it was a bit confusing, trend whether it will, further fall because even the second candle also the five minutes candle I'm talking of the indices. So it fell, and then the third candle also, if you see, it is a bearish candle in a way. So it could not sustain the thing. But the various other parameters were very clearly indicating the positive trend for the day. So and hence our strategy identified on this particular candle beginning, we to go long in the sense to sell the put. So as you see, post that it went in our favor. The moment we entered into the trade, so that is somewhere in this candle. So then it went in our favor since the market started moving upward direction. And then it started going little against our trend. Again, since we had entered at a much lower levels, it was not bothering us. And it was also consolidating, but the already since you see the VIX chart, VIX is already it was a falling VIX from the last few days, I would say. And even today, like if I to consider this is the starting point of today is this is the candle, and then it constantly it fell, may not be significantly, but it was not an uptrend. That itself was sufficient for enough for the premiums to decay, and accordingly premium got decayed, and then we were able to make a decent profit. So we sold, we entered the trade at 25,000 put by selling at 116.60, and then we covered it at 91.75, and then I guess 91.75. Yeah, 91.75. So we incurred a trading cost of 62.80. So we made a profit of around 1,800 rupees for the day. That took us our P&L to the peak level, one more peak level, that is 18.11% after 53 days of this challenge. And obviously, the equity curve remains on a peak highest level, as although in between we were seeing some downtrends, but now in the last five trades, I would say this is an exceptional streak of wins, because generally the post to this we had seen only four winning streak, 4 days of 4 trades of winning streaks we had seen. So here it is one, two, three, four, fifth. Today is the fifth winning streak we saw. So generally this was an exceptional a streak of wins we are seeing. So that is the reason we are able to now reach a peak level of 18.11%. But it doesn't matter. P&L is not at all the criteria. Let us see what happens in the next 7 trading days. So we also have started another trade, which is where we are experimenting, or rather we are forward testing. We have done the back testing, and that trades we have posted in the Telegram. Whatever the trade we took in the morning, and when we exited in the afternoon, we have posted that trade. Today it was not a profitable day there, but in a sense, very minor for a 5 lots. It incurred a loss of about 1,000 rupees. So, but again, it is an option selling. So we'll also be conducting a option selling free workshop very soon, probably this weekend, or we'll announce the exact date in coming days. So if you are interested, you please do get in touch with us. So that's all for today. Thanks a lot for your continued support. See you and take care. Bye bye. See you tomorrow for the 54th day of this trading challenge. Take care. Bye bye.